In this video, I will show you how to make like this transparent text effect in Canva. First, open Canva, go to element or pictures and drag your picture that you want to use. For me, I want to use this one. Just drag it and make it in the right place for you. Next, go to text, click on add text, and you should add your text. For me, I will add this text. I will just go right now and change the font to any font that I want to use. And make it in the right place for you. For example, here. And go right now to background, to color, and change it to white. And also go right now to effects and choose this one and decrease the this and make it like this. So after that, go and you have to download this picture and click download as a PNG. Click download, and after this add another background or another project and drag the picture that we made and drag it like this. And right now click on remove background. So after removing background, what you should do, go again and download this picture. Download it as PNG with transparent background. Choose just the second one, click download. After this, back here to your first page and click on this text and change the effect style to the normal style. And right now drag your picture that we made recently and just drag it like this and click on right click layer, bring forward, and that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, leave a like, leave a subscribe, and bye.